We're looking at some sparkle girls. There's a set of 10 in the set here. It comes in a big box like you see here. And we'll do a quick unboxing, and there they are. Here is 10 dolls. They're small dolls. They're roughly around 3 inches tall. And let's look at each one of these dolls. This is a purple doll. It has a little glitter on the hair. It's tinsel. It's tinsel. I was just told it's tinsel by my assistant. You can see the purple dress, the shoes, and the close-up of the hair. That's one. Let's put this over here. This one is pink. This has wings in the back, which is really cool. Again, more tinsel. Yep, more tinsel. And I love the heart on the shirt. See the heart? I think that's beautiful.
It's very hard to see.
Yeah, it is hard to see, but can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get a close-up. Is that better?
Yeah, that's much better. Can you see it, guys?
Yep. Look at the face.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
Yeah, I love the hair. Okay, let's look at the next one. Now, this one here is pink hair.
Yep.
And let's look close up.
And this is my favorite doll that I got.
This one?
Yeah, because I like the hair color and I just like everything about it.
Okay, and I like these wings.
Yeah, they look really pretty.
And the shoes, I think, are silver. Are these shoes silver?
Yeah.
Okay, in the back.
And the next doll we're going to show is this one.
Yeah, so this one here, it has the unicorn ears.
Yep.
Let's take a good look at that.
And that has a little rainbow.
Yeah, like a rainbow dress, right?
Yeah.
And the purple hair.
Yep. And it also has purple shoes.
Purple shoes. Very nice. Let's look at the next one. What do we have next?
The next one we're going to show you all is this one. And look, green, and the hair looks like it.
Yeah, and the back has the wings.
Yeah.
Again.
And on the back, I don't know if you guys noticed, but look.
What is that? What is that? Like the hair?
Yeah, the hair.
Oh, wow. And I like the eyes. Look at the face.
That looks like a really creative hairstyle.
I like the face.
Me too. It looks pretty.
Yes, very pretty. And the next one?
Yep. And the next one we're going to do is
Which one?
drum roll. Is this one with the unicorn on it.
Oh, another unicorn one with the very, very light pink hair, I think.
Yep. And there's
And more.
blue tinsel.
Now, what does her shirt have on her shirt? What is that?
A unicorn.
Oh, it's on the shirt, right? Look at that. And the beautiful face.
And also it has unicorn ears.
Unicorn ears. And let's look at the back. Again, with the like the purpley pink hair, right?
Yep.
Okay, the next one.
And the next one we're going to show you is drum roll again. Is this one.
Oh, this one is beautiful. Again, with this tinsel.
Yep.
The tinsel hair. And the face and the makeup.
We only have 3 more left.
Yeah, let's take a look at this one. Real close. There we go. You can see that, how beautiful that is. And the dresses are beautiful. And the shoes. Next one.
Yep. And the next one we're going to do is drum roll one more time. Is this one.
Right here. Okay.
Yep. And she has blue shoes.
Blue shoes. Very, very beautiful.
And her
face is
tinsel
beautiful.
color looks like
a pink. Yeah, like a pink, right?
Like dark
see the pink?
pink.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah,
And the hair is very
purple.
dark. It's beautiful.
You can kind of see purple,
Oh, look
but
at the heart.
actually dark.
Look at the heart.
Oh, yeah. And we have 2 more dolls left.
Yep, 2 more dolls. Which one's next?
It's going to be this one, which
This one?
is really pretty.
Which one? This one. Okay, now
And
this
she
one.
kind of looks like she has a lot of outside.
Yeah, let's take a close up and look at her and see. And her face. Look at. Wow. Oh, look at the snowflake. I didn't notice that.
I did.
I just noticed that snowflake.
I noticed that.
And look at the back of the hair, right? And the last one.
Is kind of looking like Rapunzel.
Oh,
And this is going to get a drum roll because it's
let
the
me
last
see.
one.
Let's take a quick look at the face real quick. And look at the dress. Look how beautiful the dress is. Look at the detail on the clothing. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah. And they make it like really nicely. And it looks just
It's
like
nice
Rapunzel.
quality, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, I thank you very much for helping me so much. I really
And don't
appreciate
forget,
it.
you are worth it.
You are worth it. Don't forget to follow our channel.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.